Hi friends, good morning! Are you ready for a happy day? Let's practice our good habits together.
1, 2, 3, here we go!
This is the way we wake up bright.
Wake up bright, wake up bright.
This is the way we wake up bright.
So early in the morning.
This is the way we wash our face.
Wash our face, wash our face.
This is the way we wash our face.
So early in the morning.
This is the way we brush our teeth.
Brush our teeth, brush our teeth.
This is the way we brush our teeth.
Up and down and round and round.
This is the way we comb our hair.
Comb our hair, comb our hair.
This is the way we comb our hair.
So early in the morning.
Comb it smooth and make it neat. Looks so nice and looks so sweet.
Comb it smooth and make it neat.
So early in the morning.
This is the way we put on our clothes. Put on our clothes, put on our clothes. This is the way we put on our clothes. So early in the morning.
This is the way we eat our food.
Eat our food.
This is the way we eat our food.
So early in the morning. We are ready for the day. Have a happy, happy day. Hooray, hooray, ho.
We are ready for the day. Hi friends, good morning. Are you ready for a happy day? Hooray, hooray, ho!